Hello guys, good morning. Panibagong troubleshoot na naman guys. Troubleshoot tayo ng pressure washer. Kapag sinasaksak daw, hindi siya umaandar. So, sinaksak natin guys, hindi nga umandar. So, first step guys is check muna natin yung plug. Buksan natin guys. So ayan guys, makikita nyo yung wire na red is putol. So kailangan natin guys i-connect yan para umandar yung pressure washer. So ayan guys, nakita nyo na connect na natin yung wire na red. So ito na guys, try na natin i-testing kung under ba yung pressure washer. So ayan guys, umandar na yung pressure washer. Yun lang yung problema niya guys, yung wire ng putol. So basic lang to guys, kaya niya rin itong gawin sa bahay nyo. So yun lang guys, thanks for watching.